Welcome back to the channel. We're back with another market forecast. So looking at EURUSD, we were in this uptrend, price consolidated before starting this downtrend. What I'm looking for is to sell off price from this trend line. Now back on Friday we had NFP and the DXY took a dip. If the dollar index strengthens, we can expect to see pairs like EURUSD, GBP USD sell off, whereas pairs like USD CAD will buy. So looking at AUD USD, we can see caught this sell last week, first trade of the year. Price was in a smaller uptrend. You can see the lower highs were broke here, then we went up to retest resistance twice. So what I'm looking for is a possible double top formation to continue the overall downtrend. The possibility for the breakout from the trend line could have been fundamentals, but what I'm looking at is all the downside potential that this pair has with regards to following the trend. Now looking at EURUSD, we broke out of the downtrending trend line to form a price pattern. So what I'll be looking for is a breakout from this current channel pattern that's forming on price. If we get a breakout to the upside, we can look for a retest and a continuation, and vice versa for the downside. Looking at AUDJPY, similar to AUDUSD, prices at this resistance zone, broke out of the downtrending trend line, possible double top formation. So far my bias is a sell. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe because it helps the channel. Go ahead and join my free Telegram for updates during the week. And check out this platform. It's called TradingView. You can use it to draw up your charts and do your forecasting.